Welcome to GVR. Down that way is one way to get to these rooms. It's the west wing. And if you're coming from the lobby, that's the other way. And we're at room 3012. And we're getting on the cruise ship. Let's go. As you walk in, you have a panel on the door here. And you have a sliding door to the bathroom. Let's go in the bathroom. These are brand new renovated rooms. You got another panel here on the wall for day, evening, night. And you got a nice great big shower with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. There's a beautiful robe here. And you have a makeup mirror, 2 sinks, your towels, and that are down there. Nice rugs on the floor. Be careful, they're white. And here you have some more body soap and body lotion. You got a little kit here for your makeup and that. And then in here you have the bathroom, the toilet. And this here is a connecting room, as you can see. And on this side, you have your pay minibar, some more pay stuff. You have a little espresso coffee machine with all your stuff here. Your little condiment kit and your different coffees. And then these here are just regular drawers. There's a few plugins, as you see. Then we'll come over here and you have your thermostat. Nice big closet with the safe over here. And you got a steam bag and closet and another robe. And here you have your lamp. You have your 2 different ports. More privacy, lamp, day, night, privacy, your phone, the lamp, nice drawers here with the Holy Bible in it. And like I said, these rooms were all newly renovated. Nice king bed. Here's the bed and try. We'll do that at the end. Then we have drawers here, huge TV screen, nice little desk here. And if you come over, you can see there's plugins for your USB ports and plugins for your computer. Same here on this side of the bed. You have all your different touches, which I just touched. Little reading lamps on both sides. I really like this room. It's getting nicer. Your alarm clock. You do have a regular plug in there if you need more for like a CPAP or something on the wall. And this is the view that you have. Not much of a view, but you're here to gamble, so you don't need much of a room. And maybe we should let Mike give the bed a try. There you go, Mike. Oh no. We used to like the beds here. But thanks for watching, and
don't forget to subscribe
and like the channel and click the notification buttons if you want to see more. And I do have other Green Valley room tours, especially before they renovated the room here. And we have Gold Coast and Excalibur and lots of cruise videos, so go check them out. Bye from Mike and me. please like and subscribe to my channel. It's free for you and it helps me grow my channel. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more, or go back and watch some of my older ones. Thanks again.